All right, guys. I have something new here. It's the MNSPD Midnite Solar Surge Protector device here. So this one can 300 volt surge suppressor with LED indicator. This is the part number, and I ordered this one. Just came in yesterday, and let's see what's inside the box. So we got a lightning arrestor. We have the washer and bolts, or whatever, nuts to hold it, and we have the manual. So this is what it is, and this one is gonna get into the MNSPD-300-30D. So one of the holes on the side and a knockout here, or on the other side here. Just gonna utilize the holes that are already there, or maybe it's gonna be up here. So this is what it is. Surge protector. Okay, if you don't have one on your system, I encourage you to get one. It's very important. I've seen how this thing works, and I just want to add that to my system. If you can see up there, there's one up there for my 48 volt all back, and I want to add one. I need more. I need 3 on each system, which is going to take the DC side, solar, and the AC side. This is like the battery itself, you know. So this is what it is. Surge protector made by Midnite Solar, live here at the command center JW Solar USA. Stay tuned. Well, this is what it says. You know, they said the Midnite SPD provides protection against near lightning strike up to 115,000 amps of surge current. So is a near lightning strike. So could you imagine if you strike directly? So these are the diagrams how to go about it. Okay, and these are more examples how to go about it, and you guys will see when I'm done. There's a diagram right there, the AC and DC one for the solar. For 120 volts right here, that's the connection. The black wire comes to these, the white wire comes to that, and to the earth ground. See, all right. So this 300 I have here is for 240 volt. So 240 volt configuration will be right there. Look what it says, for 240 volt circuit. So that's why my surge protector has the red, white, and green. No, sorry, the red, black, and green. See that? So this is the 240. This is for the AC side. You can use for AC. And guys, that's what I'm gonna do. Hook it up into the AC side. You know, leg 1, leg 2, earth ground, which is the green one. So we can go about it. Stay tuned for that as we complete the installation. You will final look at everything, and subscribe and share. Bye for now.